Good to see you all again. This is Samantha, and today we are going to be talking about line of action. You can think of line of action as the superpower that all illustrators and animators use to make their characters' poses and actions more lively. Line of action shows the direction of the greatest force or movement released from the body. A convex line of action occurs when the force or movement of the body moves away from the center mass of the subject, and a concave line of action occurs when the force and movement of the body goes inward towards the center mass of the subject. An S-curve is a combination of a convex and concave line of action where the movement goes inward and outward. Identifying the line of action on different images of people from real life is a really good exercise just to see what natural line of actions look like. I also like to look at the line of action that is used in various cartoon characters, anime characters from different shows. This really helps me see the extent to which line of action can be exaggerated and gives me inspiration for my own characters and how I can make their poses look more interesting. I wanted to quickly point out that there is usually more than one line of action. The line of action can be from the head to the toe, from one tip of a hand to the other tip of the other hand. But usually there will be no more than two lines of actions. It's best to keep it 1 to 2 just to keep things simple and clear visually. Having a primary and secondary line of action cross, what you'll get is something that looks like a distorted cross or a distorted X. Unless your character is just standing, if they're just standing in a casual pose, you'll usually just have one line of action, as you see with Raven and Starfire here. Some of the most interesting lines of action come from superheroes, and that's why I have so many of them in these examples, because there's just so much dynamic poses that you can do when they're fighting and doing all of their flips and routines. So superheroes and athletes are really good to study for very, very extreme lines of action. Alright, so just to recap, remember that the line of action is the imaginary line that signifies the greatest movement of force released from the body. There are usually 1 to 2 lines of action within a pose, and they can be concave, convex, or an S-curve. I highly recommend taking the 21 Draw course with Tony Bancroft. He teaches how to draw character poses with personality, and that's where I actually learned the content I shared with you in this video, and this course has really helped me bring my characters to life. I hope this video helped you learn more about line of action and helps you with your character's poses. If it did, please give me a big like, comment, and subscribe so I can give you more videos on how to help you with your character designs. As always, dream big, live bold, and keep on creating. I'll see you next time, character designers. Bye!